This is a tutorial how to make a homemade blizzards. Homemade Oreo blizzards.
Okay. So first what you need is vanilla ice cream or chocolate, and you're going to mix them out
But if
and
you
put
have
it in a bowl.
But if you have an ice cream scoop, that's good too.
Okay. Now that you have some of the ice cream scoop, you're going to take your Oreos and you're probably going to take about 2 of them out, and you're going to use 6. What you're going to do is you're going to push them up inside of the bag. That's just less of a mess for you to clean up. So if it's crushed up inside the bag, then it's not much of a mess. If you crush it up inside the bag, then it's not. What I'm doing is I'm just taking a spoon, like a regular spoon, and hitting it, and it crushes it up pretty good.
That's not a way to make homemade blizzards.
Susan, go get me a small cup like this one. That would be so nice. Which, if you have like Reese's cups or something, you do the same thing.
But we're already using Oreo. That's all we have. Oreos in there. Let me dump
Okay,
Oreos.
so it's like crushed up like this, and then we're going to take.
Dump the Oreos in there. When we're ready.
Take a little bit more ice cream. Okay, that's what we're going to do just to make sure it's not melted. Keep the ice cream up. And then we're going to go put the ice cream up. And so our spoon, just stop. Easy to do. You're going to mix it up a little bit before you put the Oreo toaster. And then you're going to mix it up more when you do put the Oreo.
This is actually kind of fun.
This is a really spring mixing easy thing to do.
You know what Oreos.
It's like the most easiest thing possible. If you wanted to, like if you like are a person that likes a lot of chocolate, then you could use chocolate ice cream. You could use like any kind of ice cream that you like, and any kind of candy that you like either, but you still have to follow the same steps. My favorite is the vanilla with like the stuff.
With the Oreos.
My favorite is actually the Reese's cup.
There's some falling.
My favorite is the Reese's cup, but
All we had is Oreos.
all we had is Oreos. So, yeah, and then mix it up so it's like a blizzard.
Can I put the Oreos in?
And then you're going to dump the crushed up Oreos in that you crushed up earlier.
Can I mix it this time? No.
You're going to be careful when you're spilling it everywhere. And like some of
kind of looks like Coke, but it's not. It's Oreos.
It's digging into the cream. And I'm getting it all over the laptop. If you wanted to, you could take it and like off the bar. And then the stuff that didn't come out, if you want it to come out, just take a spoon and get it out. Because cream smushed it where it's staying. So it didn't come out and I took the rest of it out. But yeah.
And
then if you had a blender, that would be good too. Just that.
We don't have one.
We don't have one. Because ours broke. Then you're just going to stir it up a little bit more to make sure that.
In the blender, we weren't allowed to use it because it was my mom, and she used it for her Weight Watchers. So, make it.
Just going to mix it up. We could have used a little bit more Oreos, but we used all that we had.
It was still too low.
Yeah, that's the top. Okay. Now you have your Oreo
ice cream.
flavored type deal thing. Yeah. Now I'm just going to take the 2 cookies that I had taken out. I'm going to put them aside. And now I'm going to take out the burger and put it out. And then you might need more in the plan, but no.
I hope it's good.
Okay.
So we had a whole row of orange.
And you dig it out. Like, you want more Oreos? Use as many Oreos as you want. Depends on how much you want in there. A little bit of Oreos goes a long way in the crushed up. And then the next step is optional, but you can do it if you want to. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. And then you're going to take the Oreos that you took out. This is optional. And then I like to use cinnamon. Make it look a little bit better. But
What am I in?
push it up. And then you have your Oreo blizzard.
Bye.